Hi, good morning. Yeah, see this one. This is a henna plant. You know where I put it? I put it a small pot only. Why I am telling for this not necessary very big place. You can put it in the balcony also. Nowadays, really I like the painting and all in the hand. Yeah, mehendi. But what is they're putting so much of chemicals. They're using so many chemicals. After that, your hand is becoming a dry and the henna won't go hitching totally. So now I'm going to show natural henna how to do. Okay, come on, yeah, now take it like this. Okay, see, yeah, how fresh this one. Actually, every time I will grind in this only. Okay, the this one because some exercise also for me. But nowadays nobody's having time. Then I'll grind it in this only. Okay, like this. How much you wanted? Wanted means what? Yeah, if you have a plant, otherwise you can buy outside also. You're getting properly, and add little bit water in this. Okay, now just grind only. Yeah, nothing very easy actually. See. But if you're doing with the rock one, no, it will come very nicely actually. I thought, okay, nobody's having a time, this is a easy poosy one. Tick tick tick, you can finish. So I thought better I can show this. Don't grind continuously, because the heat will come and it won't grind properly also. So this is the consistency. See, what a green color, na? Very nice. Little more we want. Then again you can apply for the hands wherever. Actually, whenever we have a pain in the legs, no, my mother used to put it in the near feet actually. Sometimes I also do some overwork in the kitchen, standing a longer 3-4 hours. At least every day I'll stand in 3-4 hours, more than that, because I will cook. So sometimes I'll do it. The aroma is very nice. The natural aroma is coming. Just I will grind again. See, see the consistency. You can apply. No, after that, even the for hair also you can apply this one. No chemicals, nothing. No, it's very good. Now I'll apply for the hands. I'm not doing now because why? I have to cook and everything. Yeah, nicely. My mother used to put one round only like this design. Yeah, you people will do, yeah, very nicely. Last time I tried, it's come so well. So like that, and I love to do this one also, full hands like this, no? Like this. Yeah. You have to keep it for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. After that, you can remove the nice color, the aroma. And I don't know, but properly they used to tell me when you're putting the mehendi, this Gorin Taku in Telugu will say, Mardani Tamil, and they will say when you're putting this one, the body will be cool down. See the colors also here. Not even 1 minute. See the color, how beautiful. The aroma is very nice. I'm removing. Just I'll put it in the night, not now. See the color. So beautiful. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this one without chemicals. That's it. Come on.